Unit 1. Introduction to the field of textiles, classification of fibers, natural, chemical and mechanical properties of textile fibers. Introduction to the field of textiles. A textile material is a fundamental unit from which textile material can be made. It is unit of matter characteristics by flexibility, fineness, strength and high ratio of length to thickness. Textile fibers are the materials of natural or artificial origin which can be converted into yarn and fabric for clothing and also for domestic and industrial purposes. The textile fiber is also defined as a refined strand of tissue of animals or plants or any synthetic materials drawn out into slender filaments and subsequently cut to required length. These materials should have sufficient length, fiability and strength which enable them to be spun into yarn and then converted into fabrics. Classification of textile fibers. Textile fibers are broadly classified into two groups, namely natural fiber, man-made fiber. Natural fibers provided by nature subdivided into vegetable origin, animal origin, mineral origin. A. Vegetable origin. Consist cellulose in pure form obtained from stem, leaves or seeds. Natural fibers. They are fibers provided by nature in a ready-made fibrous form. The fibers can be further subdivided into subgroups as vegetable fiber, animal fiber, mineral fiber. Vegetable fiber. It consists of cellulose in pure form or mixed with various other substances. These fibers are obtained from the stem or leaves or seeds of the plant. Animal fibers. These are intergenous substances and contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These fibers are obtained by animal secretion or from appendages of epidermis of animals. Example, silk, wool. Mineral fiber. It can be obtained from sand, stone and asbestos. Man-made fiber. This is the one which man has generated as fiber from something which was not previously suitable in fibrous form. The subgroup of man-made fibers are natural polymer, regenerated fibers, synthetic polymer, synthetic fibers, non-polymeric fibers. Natural polymer, regenerated fibers obtained from substances already been made by nature. Example, viscose rayon, acetate rayon, polynosic rayon, etc. Synthetic fibers obtained by fiber production, chemical process. Example, polyester, nylon 65 and nylon 6.
Textile is classified into natural fibers and man-made fibers and natural fibers. There are fibers provided by nature in a ready-made fibrous form. The fibers can be further subdivided into groups as vegetable fiber, animal fiber and mineral fiber. Vegetable fiber, it consists of cellulose in pure form or mixed in various other substances. These fibers are obtained from stem or leaf or the seed of the plant. Animal fibers, these are nitrogenous substance and contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And mineral fiber, it can be obtained from sand and stones. Example, asbestos.
Physical fiber. Hygroscopic nature. It is the capacity of moisture absorbency of fiber. All natural fibers are hygroscopic, which also makes them stronger when they are wet. Thermal property. It is the heat resistance of fiber, conductivity and melting point on which the fiber melts. What are the four physical characteristics of fiber? The various properties are high fiber length to width ratio, tenacity, adequate strength, flexibility and pliability, corrosiveness or spinning pliability, uniformity. What are the four characteristics of physical properties? A physical property is a characteristics of the substance that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of a substance. Physical property includes color, density, hardness, melting and boiling points. General properties of fibers. Filament fiber. Filament fiber may be natural or man-made. Filaments are grouped together to make a yarn. Yarn made of single strong, smooth strand is known as monofilament yarn. while the yarn made of several small filament is called multifilament yarn. Silk and all man-made fibers come in this class. Staple fibers. Staple fibers are short in length and are measured in inches. Cotton and all small cut fibers come in this class. Staple. The dimension and length of the fiber is known as staple. Quality, firmness, smoothness, luster, uniformity, draping quality and strength of the yarn and fabric. Strength. The strength of the fiber makes it bear the stress and strain on spinning. The strength of the fiber is revealed on the atmospheric moisture. Elasticity. It is pliability of the fiber which supports it bears and the strain while twisting. It helps the fiber to oppose crushing and spin back to the original state. Texture. It comprises smoothness or roughness of the fiber. Uniformity. Uniform dimension supports the fiber to make better and smoother yarn. Physical properties. Hygroscopic nature. It is the capacity of moisture absorbency of fiber. All natural fibers are hygroscopic, which also makes them stronger when they are wet. Thermal property. It is the heat resistance of fiber, conductivity and melting point on which the fiber melts. Chemical property. It is the effect of acids, alkalis, bleaches and normal laundering agents on the fiber. Density. It is the molecular structure of the fiber which provides them weight. Dimensional stability. It is the stability of the structure which prohibits the fiber from shrinking because of mechanical action, agitation, pressure, strength and moisture. Resilience. It is the presence of strong hydrogen bond which prohibits the fibers from wrinkling easily. Color fastness. It is the capacity of molecular structure to hold dye molecules to retain fabric colors and brightness in sunlight, moisture and laundering.